So I'm going to start this video off with a question. Should they have brought this pair back? That is the question I've been asked quite a lot. A lot of people are saying it should have been left in the past, never been retouched. But they've remade it. It's back. Let's unbox it. This is the Predator Precision Zinedine Zidane Special. Yeah. Here's a look at the box. Made in Germany, as you can see. Here's a look at the label. Managed to pick these up in a size UK 10. So I actually got these early out of luck. So they released on Football Emotion. It was a pre-order only. Pre-ordered them and they actually shipped them before I think they should have. They come out on the 10th of June on Adidas. You can still enter the raffle if you want. But £250, I believe. Yeah, I got these early, but I think it was by mistake. So let's unbox them. So it's a slide open box. So we'll slide open. It does come with the Adidas details here. You also get a leaflet which says, "Welcome to a legacy of excellence, handcrafted in Germany. Each boot represents the fusion of heritage and innovation, limited in production. Own a piece of Adidas football history." So you can read that for yourself if you want to pause the screen there. Pretty cool. I like that. You do also get a boot bag. This has Zidane on it, as you can see. It's a little bit odd that they've used this strike, as it has nothing to do with the boots, but I guess it has to do with Zidane, and it's probably his most iconic goal. But I'll move that to the side. Then you do have paper, and here are the boots. Check those out. Gold, red and black. Very iconic. I'll move the boots to the side. You do also get a set of spare laces in here, which are black. So move all the packaging to the side and we'll bring in the boots. Here they are. What are your first impressions of the boot? Do you think they've done a good job remaking them? Should they have remade them? Let me know down below in the comments. Very interested to hear your thoughts. It's a truly iconic pair. You only think of one player when you see it, Zinedine Zidane. And that's who these boots are for. So let's take a closer look at the details. So the upper is a full leather upper, which people will be happy about. Then you do have these red rubber grip sections to get you extra grip on the ball. As you can see, they're kind of built into the leather upper. The three Adidas stripes on the outside are classic in the black. Same on the outside, as you can see here. You do have the equipment detailing on the back here on the tab with the Adidas logo above. I'm actually not the biggest fan of this equipment logo. It's just my personal preference. I don't like it, but that's just my thoughts. Let me know if you like it, because everyone has different opinions. Spinning it upside down, they've modernized the sole plate, as you can see, to what it was like on the Predator 24, 25. And as you can see, it's a gold and black with the Predator text kind of invisible in the middle, as you can see. I don't mind this. Sole plate works really well. I've used it many times on the new Predator and I've not had any complaints with it at all. And I do like how they've matched it gold and black to the upper. Kind of blends in well. I think if it had been different around the toe box area here, it would have looked odd, but it kind of matches it all the way around. I like that. I will be interested to see after a few wears though, will this gold break off and change into a different color that doesn't match the upper? That'll be an interesting thing to check. But at the moment, I like it. I like it when it looks brand new and fresh. Then taking a look at the iconic red tongue, as you can see on the side it says made in Germany, all handcrafted in Germany, and as you can see the Adidas logo is in gold. Actually, in photos, I have to admit, I don't know if red, black and gold work together. Just my personal preference, I prefer black and gold, black, gold and white. I just don't know if the red and gold really works. It does look better in hand, but it still isn't my favorite, but that might just be because of the model. The Predator Precision isn't something I've loved or ever really loved. I know people are fanatic about it and other people are really into the Predator Precision, but for me it's alright. One thing I don't like, however, is that the tongue is a Velcro tongue. Just Velcro for me just seems a little bit tacky and a little bit cheap. I would have preferred there to be an elastic, but maybe that wouldn't resonate with the boot as much. Lifting it up, we do have the Zidane logo, as you can see. I don't know if they're trying to make this into a thing, but you can see the Zidane logo there, which I actually don't mind on the tongue. I think it's quite a nice little touch and looks quite good in the gold print. The laces that come standard are red, matching the tongue, which is always a big plus point for me. I think it looks weird when the laces don't match the tongue. I just think it looks a little bit mismatched, so I like that they come pre-laced with the laces to match the tongue, because that's how I would keep them if I was to wear these. Then looking inside the boots, lift out this giant paper shoe tree. We do get an insole inside. Take it out and it does say World Player 2000, you can see, because he won World Player of the Year in the 2025 years ago, which is crazy to think how long ago that was. What a fantastic player Zinedine Zidane was. For this pair, I actually went true to size in my UK 10, same as I would in wearing a Nike Mercurial. I actually wear 10.5 in the brand new Predator 25, and I would say they fit a little bit tight. It is a leather upper, so it will eventually stretch, so maybe go true to size, but they do fit slightly small. But I just think with time in the leather upper, it will stretch to fit your feet a lot better. Around the ankle, there is no extra padding at all, which is a downside for me. I like my ankles to be extremely comfy and I like a lot more padding than this, but it does have a more traditional fit and feel, which many people will like. So like I said, this pair releases on the 10th of June and is a limited release, so best of luck if you are trying to get a pair, and let me know down below in the comments, what do you think of it? Do you like the look? So to find this pair on the Adidas app, just go onto the Adidas app and search for Predator, then filter it by new in, and you can see it right there, this one here, and you would just click this one, and then you would enter with the size that you want. And you have to enter before 8:30 AM in UK on the 10th of June, and it will give you the chance to buy your pair. In all my videos, I always get the question, will they come in AG, will they come in FG, will they come in SG? This is the only sole plate they will come in. It's a limited edition boot, so they've only made it with this sole plate. I would like to see them in AG, I would like to see them in SG, but this is the only one we are getting them in. And finally, the price, £250 it is to enter the raffle for your chance to buy these. But they are going for a lot more, but that may just be because they haven't released yet. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you think of the Predator Precision Zidane? Are you going to be going for these? Do you think they are a special boot? A lot of people have been loving this, but also a lot of people have been unsure about it. So let me know down below in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. This has been an early unboxing of the Predator Precision Zidane. Yeah, crazy pair of boots. They're just not my cup of tea.